So hello everybody, welcome to GT Racing 2. Let's just
Racing.
get off my nerves, boy. So let's get into it.
You've been assigned a target time. Prove your racing prowess by finishing the next lap before time runs out.
Okay.
It's as simple as crossing the finish line first.
So I use my arrow keys for this because I'm used to arrow keys. Most people use WSD, but me, I'm special. I'm a master at cutting these corners. So I don't use the brake button because there's actually a reverse button in this. So if I need to like a immediate brake, I use my reverse button. But if I need like a slow down, I need a slow down. Like if I need like a high slow like a powerful slowdown, I use my reverse button. If I just need a slowdown, I just let go of the forward button. I actually play on a laptop. This laptop, I don't know, like it says HP on its back, and this laptop is so good. Do you know why? It's been like I think we like ran through like maybe one or two internet connection wires, but when this laptop held up all the time. Okay, it never like it's been with us like since we arrived at Ireland. It's been like 3 or 4 years since I've arrived. It's it's been even older because my dad had it before we came to Ireland. So it's technically like it's so good. It has hit me on the back of it like this model. It's got like water into it like multiple times, but it has held up great. It might have like some issues with the settings once, like when it was water and it setting and the thing was dam water damage, but it recovered. I don't know what company is this. Okay, whatever company this is might be closed, but I want that company reopened. I want more of these laptops. And I also want my data transferred into those laptops, like the new laptop I will buy if this company is still here. Oh, finished second. Almost ran out of time though.
Don't worry, we'll get number one next time.
Okay. Oh, I see a lot of people here. Familiar faces. It's just. I don't think many people play this game, or maybe I'm just playing a lobby or something. Mm. Yeah, I have everything I need to for this one. Need. I can't speak
Your
sometimes.
points will be accumulated continuously based on your position in the race. Get the most points, get the win.
You can do this,
So I have to
champ.
stay
You
in
got
the
this.
lead for the longest. Yeah, and I am also a perfect
Another one bites the
executioner of
dust.
overtakes and bridging tight gaps. That's how I like usually take the first position. So whenever you're turning a corner, it depends which way the corner is turning.
Where did that
Because for
guy come
example,
from?
we're
You
turning
gotta watch
left, I
out,
stay
man.
on the left side of the road, so they are further away from like they have to steer themselves, but I don't have to steer myself much. Like it's a good way to overtake as well. Like this. You see? I bridged the gap better. Okay, I'm not going on the grass because that slows you down.
Congrats, kid. You're in the lead.
Am I? Oh, I am. Perfect execution. That's a grandpa right there. Grandpa? Oh my god. How am I doing so good? I usually get like knocked into corners and stuff. Like I feel like today I'm feeling it. I'm a bit frustrated.
top, kid. You'll get there.
Depending on where I was positioned in here, like at the start, where I started, I did pretty good. Now it was just a long overdue battle between me and him, okay? But look at this dude, yeah, right there. It was a battle of nutrition basically. Oh, that dude was close behind me. Then I suddenly started catching up. I want to watch this race to the end. Oh, this is literally like point of view of the driver, I think. And then I took over second, and then I like stayed in second, and then I literally just started like a full on overtake on him. And like I had to switch because he would knock me off the road if we crashed into we were about to crash into him, so if we crashed into each other he would knock me off the road. Then just kept my lead.
Is this you?
Yeah, the red one. I think I'm in a Mito. I don't know. Romeo no Mito. Something like that. Yeah, Mito.
Mr.
Okay, he was like 5 seconds ahead of me.
Because I am the best in these games.
You're not. You were not even in the race.
Don't worry, kid. I think you got what it takes.
Wait, what? I have to pull this one back. How am I gonna pull this back? They literally put me in the bottom, like in the back, and the race cars were still going. You know what? You've called for
Now
it.
he's eating your dust.
You've called
You did
for
it,
the
man.
sweat. When the path is pretty straightforward, you want to
What's going
take
on,
it
kid? You
speedily,
good?
but when it's like too turny, you want to take it slow. Okay, I took like third position, so yeah, it says on the top I think. But there's 3 people ahead of me. Oh, I have to overtake 3 people now. 3 more people. So it was an overtake battle. So I had to overtake all of them and get to first position. The time is counting down. Oh, this is where. Okay. This is where I'm coming. Oh no. No. She just took in front of me, like, just stood in front of me.
Not that.
Oh, I'm
Better
sweating
whip
too
those
hard on the
obstacles.
controls.
Can't lose time here, kid.
I'm not focusing, okay? I'm thinking about something, so I'm not focusing much. Okay, I'm going pretty slow. No, no, no. What was I thinking? What was I thinking?
You call that racing? I thought you had more in
I
you.
was thinking crazy.
I want to see you make it to the top of the podium.
Sure, dude. Sure.
He always said one thing and then he said double time.
No, no.
Oh, right now you said it double time.
Okay. Hey. Okay. Come on, come on. Come on, come on.
Oh, let us.
You dare challenge me?
You stay on this road. Look that.
way to getting another racer's head?
Oh, I wanted to put a cheeky or tight gap, bridge a tight gap, but it was too tight for me. I wasn't cheeky enough for that. Oh no, not cheeky enough for that one as well. Make sure nobody's catching up to me a lot. You've awakened me. I'm done with this. I'm not playing around anymore.
But you did win.
Oh, we
Good
crossed.
push. First place should have been yours, man.
Oh, we crossed the finish line. It's just like whenever I start feeling the hype, I just get like overtaken. So let's see how long it's gonna. Maybe I should get into it.
4 minutes left.
This is
You got this.
Pretty good starting point. I can bridge the gap here. I can bridge it. This is what I'm talking about. Getting into cheeky spots, like getting into tight gaps. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. You will never take me down.
Let's see those moves.
Okay. Okay, this player lives up to the name. Cage in the player's name. The player is caging me, like literally. He's blocking me from like getting. He's not giving me any opportunity. As soon as I see opportunity, he just stands in front of me.
Oh.
I think I like the Mito, whatever this is called. I don't think I'm pronouncing it right. Oh, this player messed up. He gave me the gap. If you're playing against me, remember this. Never give me the gap. Oh my god, why does my car slow down on turns?
Don't know it's our name of car.
No. People
You made
can
great time.
sort
I'm
of
impressed,
target
kid.
us, spam us if they know or like account in this. No more telling.
Our name is
No.
we don't have
Okay, are we even gonna have enough time? Okay. For the video. This is taking longer than I thought. I don't think we're gonna make it before the video ends. Okay. Control. Okay, we're gonna end this video. See you guys next time. Bye bye.